Now I am going to the slide number 8. Having seen some basic concepts, we will see more in depth by having a practical visualization. So I am showing a diagram or a photograph where you see the distribution line of a communication circuit. So if you take a communication circuit, you have your telephone, the plain old telephone connected through a two-wire line, right, which is connected to your telephone instrument in your house. On the other side, you will have the exchange or a crossbar switch. So this technology is a primitive form of the telephone communication, right? And today we have wireless telephones, or what more popularly called as mobile phones, right? But we will see this circuit. This circuit is a wired circuit where the two wires are connecting the telephone of the subscriber to the exchange, where the distance may be few kilometers. Now I am going to the next slide. So the various types of transmission lines. You see one wire transmission line where the ground will be the other return path, one wire transmission line, and the next is a two-wire twisted pair. Then you have a two-wire shielded pair. Then you have a two-wire flat lead or twin lead ribbon cable. Then you have parallel two-wire line. Then you have coaxial cable. Then you have the waveguide, the metallic waveguide. Then you have the fiber optic cable. So all these, right from the single wire transmission line to your fiber optic cable, all are various forms of transmission line applicable for various practical applications for various ranges of currents and voltages, right? And of course, in optical fiber, light is used as a carrier, which is also an electromagnetic wave.